Rising entertainer Nklyne is mourning the passing of his mother after his mother was abducted from her home in Newport, Manchester. He is also a YouTube sensation with his girlfriend, and they goes by the name Nikki and Klein. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A number of individuals have took to social media in order to express condolences to rising entertainer Nklyne after his mother was abducted from her home in Newport, Manchester and later found dead. On Friday night, the rising entertainer and YouTube sensation took to social media in order to appeal to the abductors or abductor in order to return his mother safely. But this was not to be after his mother's body was discovered in bushes in the Newport area of Manchester the said night. The rising upcoming entertainer mother was found dead and her spouse injured in an alleged attack that was carried out by an intruder at their home in Newport, Manchester on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as 54-year-old Lorna Lake. Her common-law husband was treated at hospital for his injuries sustained during the night's onslaught, which reportedly began at about 6:30 p.m. on that night. Preliminary reports are that the couple was at home when a man entered and allegedly demanded money. When his demands were not met, he tied up Lake and her spouse and took them outside to bushes where they were severely beaten. It is alleged that the woman's spouse fell to the ground during the attack and pretended to be dead. However, the intruder carried Lake to another section of the property. Her spouse in the meanwhile struggled to the house and alerted the police. The police arrived and later a search was launched and conducted in the area for the missing female. Her body was later found in bushes with what appears to be a wound to the head and other injuries to her body. She was pronounced dead at hospital. The police are continuing their investigation. The police are appealing to anyone with information to contact the nearest police station or the Manchester Police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
You may say still, you see me? They write a song, you see it, and me get a news a while ago, you see me? Yeah, you don't know. My mother located in a Newport, you see me? Manchester. And, you see me? I hear you say, that me hearing, brother. Me there Kingston. Mother there Newport, you see me? She did it with her boyfriend because she not married. You see me I say? And me I hear say some people running, brother. And, you see me? I say them knock him out, brother, and cut with my mother. You see me I say? Yeah, dog.
Newport in a Mandeville.
You see me? So, you don't know. Yeah, people, so you wanna, me just say, you see me? I don't know what the whole pre or what go on. Like, you see me I say? Newport it up me, you see me? Yeah, so as me I say, if you just forward on the live, me I hear say, them running for my mother and cut with her brother. You see me?
And with the all the way to Kingston.
Yeah. See me? So me I say, yo, Newport it happen, Newport, Manchester it happen. In the night, you see me I say? Yeah, so that statement there, my mother boyfriend. You know a elder, cause them a elder, you see me? I get the police them right now, brother. So that are the only you see me? Yeah, so me just I say, whoever do it, you see what I say? When you don't know what I want, you just, you see me? Just let her have somewhere safely. You see me? I say, G, big man thing.
Why don't they take her do? Money they want or something? Because nobody know nothing, so I don't know, I'm not even know if it's like that, no. And you know, if Precious or nobody don't want you put in or nothing.
I don't talk about that still.
But we have to know.
Yeah, so me just say, yo, people them on the Newport side, you see me? I that go on, you see it. People I say there is no way them could have taken my mother. And me sit down on live. You hear me I say? Me there at Kingston. You see me? My mother live at Newport, Manchester. You see me? Police and them thing they reach on the scene. Two I live at Manchester. Two I go make some link and touch on the road right now. Me the way at Kingston. So the best thing me can do, I go up on the live. You see me? Because thousands of people they on me live. And all the people they on me live forward from Newport side and Mandeville. And me I say, yo, me just get a link, brother. And music me there, so alright, brother. And me get a link a while ago say, them knock out the Umbria and take on my mother G. So me I say, yo, me I go up on the live because people already done a Newport on the ground, brother. So me just try to reach out to the people them. And I say, yo, I that go on a Newport. You see me I say? Yo, me not run no prank, G. Me not run no prank with nobody, you see me? I tell you the news that me just get. Remember say, me's a man that even love go live, you see me I say? So me just ask, say, who have my mother? Can just return her safely, you see it? Big woman thing, you see me?
Big, but look here. If I know Precious a car, that means I good one know and after 9 know and he said they lock him out. They lock him out. So when he get up back in, have to call the police them. So even if the police them a look for him now, wherever them gone, they must reach there already. That's a good one.
Yo, close to Newport town, you see me? Close to Newport town, mother live. Yo, my mother just stay home, you see me? Yeah, man, my mother just stay home. You see? So I'm tell you, I just get the news, and the reason why I'm there live is because I know it's enough people for me think they are Newport and them place there. And maybe whoever take her dip on the live, see him, I'm let her say, if you can just bring her back, you see me, I say, or just leave her somewhere safely. You see it?
May I say, if Precious said in
No, I'm talking about no panel. Yo, on the screen the card live and send it to you. I'm going to say this again. So I just record the live, you see me? And send it to you. Hold on. Yeah, me I say. Uno just screen the card live and send it to you. You see me? Because I go touch on the road right now. So I just want this out there, see me? Because I not going to reach a country quicker. Yo, on the screen the card live and send it to you. I'm going to say this again. So I just record the live, you see me? And send it to you. Hold on. Yeah, me I say. Uno just screen the card live and send it to you. You see me? Because I go touch on the road right now. So I just want this out there, see me? Because I not going to reach a country quicker than how I can make the news reach a Manchester. You see me I say? Because I'm in the town. So hear me I say now, people. My mother them just running, them running for my mother and take her away. You see me I say? A Newport. You see me? So me I go jump off of the live, you know. Me just make you know that, you hear me I say? Big woman thing.